This time, Z wants to start to play. You know vowels, right? Repeat with me. A, E, O, U, E. Now they want to play with Z. What happens when Z wants to play with them? See? Looks like D. We know it says D's brother. They have one different in appearance, which this one has a dot and of course the sound. But know one thing, regarding the attachment, it works exactly like D does. So when it wants to play with A, we know this one comes always at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. So when it wants to start playing with Z, they don't attach. First read this, then read this. A, Z. A, Z. Together. Az. Az. What about this one? We know this one wants to attach, comes in the middle and at the end. So when it comes here, as Z, just like that, doesn't want to attach from this side, so they don't attach. First read this, then read A. Z, A. Z, A. Together. Za. Za. What if I wanted to play? So this one comes first, never attached, then this one. First read this, then this one. A, Z. A, Z. Together. As. As. If this one wants to play, comes here and jumps right up. So first read this, then read that. Z, A. Z, A. Together. Za. Za. If this one wanted to play, just like this, comes at the beginning, never attached, this one has no choice. This one doesn't attach to. So first E, then Z. E, Z. E, Z. Together. Is. Is. This one comes right down there. First read this, then read this. Z, E. Z, E. Together. Z. Z. How about this one? Just like these two, this one comes right at the beginning, never attaches. So first read this, then read this. O, Z. O, Z. Together. Oz. Oz. This one, just like that, comes and jumps right up. So first Z, then O. Z, O. Z, O. Together. Zo. Zo. What about U? We know this one comes at the beginning, doesn't attach. So this one has no choice. So they just stand right to each other. First this, then this. First read this one, then read this one. U, Z. U, Z. Together. Ooze. Ooze. But what about this one? This one wants to attach, but it depends to Z. Zo doesn't want to attach from that part, so this one has no choice. So first I read this one because this one comes always in the middle or at the end. So first Z, then U. Together. Zoo. Zoo. What about this one? E, always at the beginning, always attached from this side. E comes always in the middle, attached from both sides, depending on the consonant. And this one, always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't, depending on the consonant. So jump right here. First one comes here. These two look like each other, attached from that part. So then we have Z. Ease. Ease. Together. Ease. Ease. How about this one? This one comes at the end. Doesn't attach because Z doesn't want to attach from that part. So first Z, then E. Together. Z. See? As you learn the pattern, everything is easy. Let's see what practices we have for next session. For next session, you know what to do. 1 page for this, 1 page this, 1 this, 1 this, until you reach that one. Why? Because as you are writing these things down, you read them. So you will remember the pattern and remember the sound. It's a practice both ways. When you did it, comment for me and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all next session. Bye!